Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for music in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and just click on the search bar at the bottom of the page, and then click on the search section at the top of the page, and then just type in the artist or the music that you want to search for. And as you can see, you can search by tracks, people, albums, playlists, or you can just search all and browse through them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.